What's going on, everybody? It's Justin from Travelswapp.com, and today we're going to look at how to request a booking using the Travelswapp.com platform. Travelswapp is a resident swapping platform in which you can swap your primary or secondary residence in order to save on travel, and this platform is free to use. In order to do the request a booking feature on the Travelswapp.com platform, you will have to sign in if you've been to this site before. If you haven't, you'll have to register and create an account. You can see that in the other YouTube videos that we have created. Today, we're going to start the video on the Travelswapp.com homepage. From there, we'll go to the Listings tab and select Apartments for today's video. And for today's video, we're going to use the first apartment that comes up. You can do this for any of the listings on the Travelswapp.com platform, but here we're going to select the cozy apartment in Lillington. From there, we're going to navigate to the right-hand side of the screen and select Request to Book. And here you'll have the calendar feature in which you can request to book in any month of any year. You can scroll through there to go through the months. You can toggle up on the year there or down using this calendar feature. And you'll simply select the start date and then the end date. So if I selected the 5th there, it would highlight those dates. So it would have October 1st through October 5th. Once those dates are set in the calendar there, you'll then just hit request to book. That'll then be sent to the individual that listed this residence on the platform, and they'll simply accept it or decline it. So that's how the calendar feature works when you're requesting to book on the Travelswapp.com platform. Guys, this platform is free to use, so get out here, put your Airbnb, Vrbo, primary residence, whatever it may be, listed on the platform for free, and look for a swap in order to save on travel.